Hi, my name's Mark Naylor. Today what I'm going to do is show you how to assemble the SANIQUE social distance partition. This is the partition, and when you get the product, this is how it will arrive at your place. So basically you've got three packages. The screen is already built up with the rails behind it, which I'll show you shortly. You've got the box on the floor, which contains the feet and all the fixings, and all the posts are wrapped up in this box. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open up the packages and lay them out on the floor. So this is what you would get in your pack. So basically what we've got is the main screen. As you can see, the cross rails are already assembled. That's what gives the screen the strength. Obviously in the environment you need these things to be nice and strong. What you've got is the post and the end trim to finish it off. You've got the post on the other side and the end trim. The top rail, and inside the box we've got the feet. What I'd like to do is just show you inside the box with the feet. What you get is all the fixings that you need, and especially the driver inside this pack. That is for the hex head fixings, and that comes in the pack with the kit. So the first job, basically what you can see here, this is the back of the post where you can see the line, and I'm lining up the top of the rail here with the top of the posts. You'll notice the cross rails of the screen are up and the screen is down on the floor. These screens are protected with plastic, so they're not going to get scratched while you're doing this installation. So the first job is to take one of the fixings, the self-drilling hex head fixings, and what we're going to do is insert this into the corner. Okay, that's that job done. What we're going to do now, we're going to install the side trims into the post. So you can see on the side trims, the cutout at the bottom, that is to clear the feet. So they go at the bottom. Just make sure it's flush at the top. And then with the small fixings this time, we are just going to use those to secure in. So that's the side trims in place. What we're going to do now, we're going to install the bolt downs or the feet. So they just slide into place. Then using these fixings again, into the centre of the holes. Top tip really is before we put the capping rail on top, it's just a lot easier to pull off the protective screen now. It's just easier to get at it. You can do it afterwards, just a little bit more difficult. What we're going to do now is install the top trim cap. So make sure they are level at both sides. And then what we're going to do is, using the self-drilling screws. That's it, that's the full unit assembled. These screens are ideal for use for pharmacies, trade counters, anywhere where you need to protect your employees so that they can trade as normal, carry on business, completely protected from anybody walking in, coughing over them.